What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Filet Mignon by Lil Tracy. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or else I'll steal your email address and sign you up for a bunch of spam mail. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright guys, this song's in standard tuning, and you're only using 3 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. If you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the description below. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It has all the major chord diagrams in there, as well as a bunch of other really useful information for you guys. So if you need that, jump into the video description once you get done with the video. It is there for you. First chord you're going to need is going to be an A minor. It's going to be 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. Then you're going to go G major, which is 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. And then finally, F chord. You can do the bar chord, which is 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, or you can do it the way that I'm doing it here, which is just, it's the same thing. You're just using your thumb to catch the low E on the 1, and then everything else is the same. Once you get the chords down, all you need is the strumming pattern. It's going to be down, down, up, 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 down. Once you get the chords down, all you need is the strumming pattern. It's going to be down, down, up, 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 down, up. You switch to that G on the last up, down, up, down, up. Then you go to F, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And then go back to the G again for the last up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down. Fuck. Once you get the chords down, all you need is the strumming pattern. It's going to be down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Then switch to your G chord, up, down, up, down, up. Then to your F, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Back to G for up, down, up, down, up. So it's down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. On your A minor, twice, except on the last up, down, up, you switch to G. Then it's the same thing on your F. It's twice, but on the last up, down, up, you switch back to your G again. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.